What's going on, y'all? It's the Cool Teacher, and I'm here today to show you how to annex a zero while dividing. Now, the first thing we got to do, well, at least me, I like to go ahead and divide with a house. So what I'll do is I'll flip my numbers around, because that lets me know that the 6 has to go on this side, and whatever number is first is what goes inside the house. So in dividing, remember the first thing you want to ask yourself is, does our divisor go into part of our dividend? So the 6 go into 3? It does not. Since 6 doesn't go into 3, I'm not going to put a number there. All right? Now I ask myself, does 6 go into 32? Now it does. How many times? 5 times. 5 times 6 is going to be 30. When I do this, I have to go ahead and do my math, subtract. Then I get 2 minus 0, which will give me 2, and 3 minus 3, which will give me nothing. Okay? Now, in looking at this, the first thing I see is, can 6 go into 2? Usually you might make a remainder, but we're not doing that. We're annexing a 0. So since 6 can't go into 2, I have to put a decimal point, and then put a 0, and then bring that decimal point up. Okay? It's good to bring the decimal point up so you don't forget it in your answer and mess your answer up. You don't want messed up answers. All right? So now, from there, we bring down our 0. So now we can ask ourselves, how many times does 6 go into 20? Well, 6 goes into 20 3 times. So 6 times 3, 18. Do my subtraction. Can I do that? No. So that's going to turn into a 10. This is going to go down to a 1. All right. Now from here, 10 minus 8, that gives me 2. 1 minus 1 gives me nothing, so I'll leave that blank. All right. Once again, I get the same kind of thing. Can 6 go into 2? It can't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to annex another 0. And I'm going to bring that down. I don't have to put another decimal point because remember, there's only 1 decimal point per answer. All right? Or 1 decimal point per number, my bad. All right, so now I'm getting into dividing again. How many times does 6 go into 20? Well, we just did that. And it's gonna be 3 again. 6 times 3 is 18. Can I do 0 minus 8? No, so I have to borrow again. That'll turn that into 1, which will turn it back into 2. So you can see I'm gonna keep getting the same answer over and over and over again. Well, when I get that, that's what's called a repeating decimal. The same number is going to repeat over and over and over again. So what do I do in this instance? Basically, I put a bar notation over my number. All right? When I put a bar notation over my number, that lets me know that that number is going to keep going on and on and on and on. So my answer for this problem will be 5.33 with the bar notation, or if you just want to put 5.3 with the bar notation, either one would work. Okay, so that'll be my answer, and that is how to go ahead and divide numbers and annex a 0. Till next time, peace.